Deb's first try through the snowman, a series of 3 circles. Circles that get smaller and smaller as you go along. Cut herself a little short there, but there's room for error. Now she's looking at those cones. She shouldn't be. It's a do-over. She should be turning her head now. Too slow? Too slow? You're not turning your head, and you're going so slow that you have actually gone back in time.
I'm going to go through again.
Yes, it's a do-over. Don't give me any excuses. Just pick up the speed and turn your head. Look for the green cones. As soon as you find the green cone, look for the next one. That's how it is. Don't look at the cone right in front of you, because that's not going to help.
At all of them.
Yeah, if you want to stare at one I'll give it to you, bring it home, put it on the mantelpiece and stare at it there. But here you only want to look for the green ones. Much better there. Turn. She did not turn her head. If you don't turn your head, the hands will not follow. Now, this is the first try, or the second try, so it's going to get better. You got it. Turn your head. Next circle. And she got it. I think she's got it now. She's got it. Now she's getting jiggy with it. That's the speed I want to see. She cut herself short, but she still made it. That's because there's room for error.